cut my bangs in the sink.
Clean up after?
No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, I'm happy that you are here. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Spider-Man makeup look. Also, 4th of July is a couple days away, and Spider-Man colors are similar to American flag colors, so you could change this up a little bit and do it for 4th of July. Or, you know, if you really like Spider-Man, 4th of July Spider-Man's fine, it's great. So I'm gonna start with my eyes first because I remember that I always mess up everything else if I do my face first. So I'm actually going to do my eye makeup first. So starting with priming my eyes. If you watch any of my other makeup videos, you will probably know all the products that I use because I use the same ones all the time. I'm using my MAC Langlow Pro Longwear Paint Pot to prime my eyes. I just grab a brush, if I can find it, and brush it onto my eyelids and pat it in with my finger. Put it all over my lid, all the way up to my eyebrow. So for this eye look, I'm going to be going for a halo eye situation. So the middle of my eye is going to be lighter, but there's going to be, you know, dark, dark, lighter, lighter, and then lightest on the middle of my eye. So the main color I'm going to be using today is red, which, like I said, works for an American flag situation, things like that. You're going to be highlighting the middle of the eye by using some concealer and then a lighter shade. So I'm going to start with the middle shade. I want to go for a bright red. So I'm going to take it on, I've got my Morphe Jeffree Star JS5. Also, I don't know if the technique I'm using is really like what you're supposed to be doing for a halo eye, but for makeup, you can pretty much just do what you want. And to a darker red color. Okay, and then I'm gonna take, don't mind the craziness. To see this, I knew this was gonna happen because I start getting crazy with my colors. But now I did the inner and the outside, I'm going to take a more fluffy brush, go back to my JS5, take that deeper color into the crease. And then going to take a clean brush or cleaner brush and just blend the dark red into the light red on the edges. Make it look more seamless so it just flows out. Okay, so now that we've got our red built up around, we're going to take concealer and carve out the middle. And then you set that concealer with a light and bright color. And we also want to set the outer edge kind of between with the light, with a light red. And if you're not perfect with your concealer application or anything, you can always just blend it out a bit and make that line not so hard. Okay, did the other eye. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna bring some blue because Spiderman red, blue. And if you wanted to bring it more towards 4th of July, then you should use probably a white liner. So you got red, white, and blue, but because Spider-Man's got his black webbing and like around the eyes, I'm using a black eyeliner just to give a wing, some definition to my eyes. Wish me luck that I don't mess up everything I just did. So my eyeliner ran and it messed everything up. Just using my fingernail to scratch off the eyeliner I got everywhere because apparently I panicked and literally just got everything everywhere. Mascara.
Just like these boy mine.
Now on to lashes. I got the Kiss Look So Natural lashes. Don't have my tweezers, I can't find them. I often have this problem with the inner corner never getting stuck in, so I just add more glue. Probably shouldn't ever do, but that's what I do. Hopefully I do better on this side. This one's the one that's got all sorts of stuff that needs to be covered up. Do the rest of my face makeup. Be right back. Okay, did my foundation. I did change it up a little bit and I used a BB cream instead of normal foundation. I did my Hoola bronzer, my Milani blush, did my Wet n Wild highlighter, all the stuff I normally do. And then I'm just going to end with a nude gloss because my eye look is already it's pretty there. Don't really need any more on the lips to compete with that. Okay guys, so this is my finished makeup look. We have my red halo eye with blue eyeshadow on the bottom lash line, black liner, some lashes, and a nude lip gloss. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, you still thumbs it up because we had a tragedy and my eyes still look okay. Like, it's not perfect, but considering that I had eyeliner all up on my eyeball, looks pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one, or you see me.